Hello, everyone. It's David Lee here. Just want to show you um, the basics of how this AO technology works and how you can scan your body from the recording of your voice. So here is my platform. So I pay a subscription like everybody else, pay $149 US. And as you can see in the browser, I go to app.aoscan.com. And once I subscribe, once I pay, they send me the ID and password. I've gone in already, my profile, I've brought it back up. Now I've already created my voice, I've already created my profile. But just to give you an understanding of how you do it for the first time, is you go into under AO scan menu, you go into inner voice, and then you hit this microphone, right? And then what it'll do is it'll then record my voice, okay, for 10 seconds. All right. Now, just to save time, I'm not going to go through all that because it takes a few minutes. Now, from that, after it does that, it creates a report, okay? And the report shows the different imbalances in my voice from the notes of my voice connected to my brain, and it shows the different subconscious emotions and the mental states that's going on. 90% of your thinking, by the way, is subconscious, so this is reading actually my subconscious thoughts. This could be things from trauma and emotions from childhood, things that I've forgotten about. And it tells me what the positive and negative emotions are. So now, based on that note, which was off, which was B in this case, in my voice, then they create a supportive note, F, that should be played back into my body to help balance that out. Now, the company Solex is also the color therapy, so that's why you see different colored glasses. They also sell that as well, because different colors actually invoke different emotions. I don't know if you know much about that, but that's one of the things. I studied a bit of it in holistic college. Okay, so there's four different readings of the emotions, positive and negative, from my voice, and there's four supporting notes and four notes that are off. Now, it summarizes it all, okay, back at the top here, and it shows you the four notes that were off and then the four notes that are going to correct it. And they put those notes together and created a music. And when you listen to it 5 to 10 minutes, it balances out the brain waves, which also affects every part of the body. So this is the general initial frequency scan that I do with people. And people just from listening to this have had their diabetes turn around, have had people that had seizures turn around, all kinds of health issues turn around after so many months of listening to it morning and night for 5-10 minutes. Now, this is what it would sound like. I don't know if you can hear it. So they put together an actual very beautiful music. Now you can even pick what kind of music style you want based on your notes. You can hit pulse and you can actually pick if you want piano, if you want Zen meditation. I mean, some really cool music that they put together based on the four notes of your voice. Okay? So that's basically what that is. All right. So now you know that. That's the inner voice. Now, once you have your voice scanned in, we do what you call a vitals. Okay? So a vital scan is where it will now scan all the organs and systems of your body. So you hit this first bar, scanning my body. Okay? All right? For time's sake, I'm not going to finish it all. I'm just going to show you the report. And then the second scan is an optimized scan where it optimizes, where it actually corrects things at a cellular level. It actually treats you. Okay, it's an actual treatment. Okay. Now you see this bar here, deselect. You can actually deselect and go through and just select certain areas of the body you want to scan and optimize for that day. So you can actually treat yourself using this other scanning system. All right. So this is something is available after you do your inner voice. Now let me show you the report. Again, we're accessing the server of the company Solex. Okay. They control all this, right? You don't get to download it. You get access to it when you pay your subscription. All right. So here is the vitals report. As you can see, it's a lot, right? So this is just the food sensitivities I have. Now, it doesn't mean that I can't eat the foods. It doesn't mean I'm allergic. It just means that time that I scanned my voice that day, my digestive enzymes weren't at the optimal to digest, say, things like casein, cottage cheese, goat's milk, okay? I could still eat them, but it's not at the optimal. So as you can see, it'll show me the list of all the foods. Now you'll notice I have a lot of reds on the right. That's my first scan. But you notice on the left, there isn't a lot of reds because it's corrected. So it's changed the reds to like a yellow. So there's like a color code here at the top, which shows you what each level of, say, weakness or strength the reading means. So it's color coded, okay? Now, if you are blue and green, that's what you want, right? So now I've been using this for a number of years, and what I've actually seen is some of the issues that I've had in my body, the colors have eventually changed over so many months, and I don't even have those symptoms anymore. So I just wanted to let you know that this is an actual energy treatment frequency system, okay? All right, so you can just keep scrolling. As you can see, there's a lot of foods, right? A lot of different types of foods. It covers a lot. And then you get into now your blood lipids, right? Your HDL, LDL cholesterol levels, right? CBC, it even does a blood test. Now, my blood is looking really good these days because I've been treating and using these frequencies for the last number of years. As you can see, I don't even have any reds in my blood, okay? I've got a lot of greens, which is great. My blood is really looking good these days, okay? Goes on, right? It even does chakras. It does meridians. If you're an acupuncturist, I'm a shiatsu therapist, so meridians I know about. It even reads my meridians. Okay, it gives you the definitions of the meridians. Then you go into back into Western science, gastrointestinal, inflammation, pancreas, everything, amino acids, digestive enzymes, macro and micro minerals, vitamins in my body, what the levels are. Okay, bone muscle, bone growth, bone mineral, brain nerve, cardiovascular, collagen, endocrine, all your glands, eye health, mood, sex, stress, hormones, immune system, kidney function, liver function, lung function, reproductive function, skin index, thyroid function, allergy. As you can see, it's quite in depth. Bacterial, this is almost 100 pages, by the way. Fungus, human toxins, heavy metals, molds, and parasites. Okay, the list goes on. All right, and viruses. It even does the COVID virus, by the way. Okay, now I go back to AO. So that is your vitals. Now, the other one that's really cool is the comprehensive. So this is the one that's similar to an MRI. All right. So for time's sake, obviously, I'm not going to do all the scans, but I'm just going to show you roughly how the scan looks like. I hit that just like the vitals in inner voice, or like the vitals scans my body to see the current state of my body. You can also deselect and select what you want. Okay. Then optimize. So now it's optimizing through the brain. Okay. And it's now correcting those areas of my body, right, that are weak, that needs correction or that needs help. Okay. So it's actually treating me and scanning at the same time. Let's look at the report. Now, this is basically, it does like an image report. So it gives you actually chunks of your body, different parts. It'll give you all the colors at once for those areas. So it's a lot. It's a lot to look at. Okay. But it's good to get like a summary of what's happening in all your head, different parts of your body, your legs, all the arteries. Now, I just scanned for arteries for this. Okay. Now, if I scan for the muscles, for the organs, there would even be more pages. Okay. So I'm just giving you an idea of what this looks like. All right. Now the muscles, I just scanned for the muscles and arteries. That's all I did for this one. Okay, you got the muscles. It'll even show you which muscles. If I have injuries, my scar tissue areas show up as red. Okay. Now, as you can see, there's red and yellow, right? As I said, red means there's definitely a weakness happening in that area, but you notice the color change. That means it corrected it. It's working on it. All right. Now, another way to see this is you can see it as a table report where it's listed, every part. And then what you do is you can just click on it. Okay. Clicks on it. And it literally points to that artery in the brain. Isn't that cool? Right? So this is like an MRI, folks. All right. Okay. Now, let's look at treating ourselves. Cephi. So this is where you can treat yourself with different frequency. So here it is. You've got a list of different frequencies like like listed A to Z. Everything from abdominal, anemia, aneurysm. I mean, as you can see, it just goes on and on and on. Alphabetized, okay? So if I want to treat myself, say for, I don't know, elbow pain. I had elbow pain, and now I can treat myself for 5-10 minutes in the morning, elbow pain, okay? Now, believe it or not, and you can set the time as well, okay? Now, believe it or not, I've treated myself for colds. I've done this like 4 times now, and it works. So there's one for colds under C. Cold in head, chest, etc. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you something. I've done this, and I've played the frequencies like a couple hours or an hour when I was fully congested, had a full-blown cold and a flu. And I literally woke up the next morning, and 70% was better. I wasn't even coughing. And I attribute it to these frequencies. And I've done that like 4 times now. So it really does work. Okay? I have different people that are using this, and they're all telling me the same thing. Okay? So that's just one of the frequencies. I mean, there's over 1,000 frequencies, by the way. Let's see what else. Now you've got, okay, let's go back to Safi. You can do reach, which is you can actually treat yourself a broadcast for abundance. Believe it or not, I play this abundance, wealth, and success. We have people in Solex that are playing this frequency for 20 minutes in the morning. And the people that were in sales as a job where they have to sell products for their company, they said that on those days they treated themselves, they would double their sales. Okay. Now I've been playing this in the last year, and I kid you not, my business is changing. Things are happening that we never expected. Like really cool opportunities are coming in. Okay. Concentration, creativity. I mean, it covers a whole host of different forgiveness, health, strength, and recovery. I use that for my training. Okay. Love, forgiveness. If you have a hard time forgiving somebody, right? It's really good. It's really good. Okay. All right. So that's just the frequency part. Now, there is a lot of different frequencies, okay? Which I don't have time to get into all of it, right? Homeopathic, there's all kinds. Now, this feature here I want to show you is a really cool feature. We have quite a few people in Solex doing this. There's 2 screens. And what you can do is you can bring up these screens on your phone. Like I actually use my phone more than I use my laptop for the AO frequency scanning. And what I do is I will literally, right, have those 2 screens. And what people do is you can set the medication that you use, morphine, inhalers, whatever, and you can copy the frequency over into a sugar pill or a water tincture or water bottle. People are actually doing this, and when they take the water bottle, it has the same effect as the medication without the side effects. So is that crazy? So people are doing this with morphine. We have one lady, her son was taking inhalers. She wanted to cut down on the inhalers. She decreased her medication by 95% because the actual sugar pill was working. Okay. Now I've done this a couple times for clients. I don't use it as much because I'm not that sick. I'm a pretty healthy guy. I don't take any medications. But people that do, this is something you may want to consider. Okay. All right. Now one of the other things you can do is you can actually, all right, so you can literally scan pets. Okay, the name, the dog or the cat, okay, gender, pet ID. You got to put that in, and you can actually get it checked. Because some dogs are struggling with arthritis. Dogs get old, right? People are actually treating their pets, and it's actually working. You know, uh, you'll notice your pet will notice it right away. They can sense the frequencies right away. Okay, all right. So if you'd like to know more and possibly sign up for a subscription and use this technology for a few months, because it's just like a phone plan. You can just pay your subscription for the month. And at the end of the month, you want to cancel, you can cancel. The company does not try to hold on to you. They're very flexible. So there was a time where I maxed out my card and I got disconnected automatically because, it didn't go through on my card. And I just called them and I just reconnected. I just paid and it reconnected me that day. Very simple to use. So this is what the site looks like. Okay. So this is my retail site address. I'm an affiliate for them, which means I'm kind of like a quantum living advocate, like a distributor. I pay an extra $49 a month or $49 a year, sorry, on top of my $149, and I get my own retail site. So that means I can share this with people and my clients and people that use this, and they also pay the $149. The company gives me like literally a 70% commission. Okay, I get like $60, $70, $60 off everybody's $149. Okay, which is kind of cool, right? So just on 15 people I introduced this to, I got anywhere from 700 to 850 coming in every month. Okay, all right. So that's kind of how this works. So as you can see, this is the retail address. All right. Now, um, if you are looking to do this, this is where you go. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. If you'd like to know more, you want to contact me, you can go to my website, which is at vitalhealthlife.com. And I offer courses on this as well. I have ebooks on this, and I train people on how to use this technology as well for their health business, more in depthly, of course. So there you have it. Okay. Hope that helps you, and hope that was very informative.